We celebrate the feast of Saint Francis Xavier, affectionately known as Goenkarponn Sahib. We Goans are privileged to have his relics in the state. And I think as far as the people are concerned, we have seen crowds coming from all parts of the country, which is a sign that people have faith in this saint. It is a proof of the secular fabric of this country. As far as the government is concerned, under the leadership of Dr. Pramod Sawant, no stone was left to ensure that everything went on smoothly for this exposition. I'm happy that the church authorities have also recognized the contribution of the government in this festival. Yes, just about 15 days have passed. We still have another 30 days forward. And I'm sure, as far as the government is concerned, as far as the church authorities are concerned, we are alive to the situation and we are willing to undertake whatever issues come as we proceed forward. We are willing to try and find a solution to the best of our ability. I wish all the residents of this state and pilgrims who have come from outside the state to once again a happy feast.
Thank you.